So today we will do the Handson. So make sure your Cloudera started. Please make sure if you have forgotten, then please start it right now, right away. Today we will do the Handson. There will be two scenarios, so it will make you confident on coding part. There will be two scenarios you will do. First one, scenario one, then another one, scenario two. So there are two scenarios which you will see today. We'll do the Hanson. I'll give you the code, execute it, take a screenshot and send it in group. Because I know if I'll give these as a task, there are few who are doing it and there are few who skip it by default. I know human behavior. The first one is create an empty file in its node. Create an empty file in its node. Okay, the next step, put content inside it. Then third, cat the file, read the file and verify the content. Fourth, create a directory or folder in SDFS. Let me give the name too. Create an empty file called today is Sunday. S file. I think S file is there. Okay, I'll delete it. Create a directory S tier 5. Put the put S file which is in is node. This is a node.
Hi, are you
Yeah.
sharing your screen?
Okay. Have I forgotten that? Okay. Thank you for reminding.
Yeah.
If I do any kind of these things, please remind me. Please remind me. If I do any kind of, if I forgot to record it or I forgot to share something, please remind me. So,
Yeah, yes.
yeah, this is what we will do the Hanson of these two scenarios today. Create an empty file in Edge node, S file, and you have to tell me what I have to type. Put the content inside, then I will give you that command. You execute, take a screen in your Cloudera, take a screenshot and send it into. We are doing it in this class today. I'm not going to give you any task. I know few of you will do it and few you will skip it. That is human behavior. I understand it. A little motivation, little push needed, which I'll do it. Put the content inside it, read the file and verify the content. Create a directory folder in HDFS STR. Validate it. Validate if it is created. Then put the S file, put the S file which is in S node to S tier in which is sitting in SDFS. Then last verify if the file is present in S tier. If if yes, then read the content inside. Read the content inside it. Simple scenario, understandable. This scenario. create a file in Edge put content inside it, then read the content inside it, then create a directory inside SDFS, then validate it if it is created or not, then put that S file which is in Edge or get to your laptop to SDIR, then validate if that file is sitting inside SDIR, which we did yesterday. Today we will do it again just because it's new for you. I want you to be very much acquainted, very much familiar with this Hadoop commands, just because this is Hadoop commands are going to be used forever. And if yes, then read the content inside it. Very simple scenario. I will do the scenario one, then I will give you the code. Do it. If you don't understand anything, then tell me what, ask me the doubt. I will resolve it in this class itself. And you have to tell me what I have to type. This is my first scenario. Let me close this down. I think S file is already there. Let me see. S file is already there. Let me see what is sitting inside S file. Okay, nothing else. Yeah. This file is still there? No. Okay, all good. So first thing is create an empty file in Edge Node. Tell me the command to create an empty file. What is the command?
Touch.
Correct. Touch. Touch is the command to create an empty file. The empty file name is S file. I have created. Shall we validate it? Okay, let's do it. Let's validate it. The command is I have to list it. I have to see if it is present inside home/Cloudera. The landing path I always told you /home/Cloudera. I have created S file inside that. If you are still confused, let me show you where I am sitting on the landing path on my desktop, Linux desktop, home/Cloudera. I have created one file by this command. Let's see if it is created or not. Let me list it. Okay, I can see the S file here created. Okay, the second step, put content. Let me put content. The command to put content. Anyone? What is the command to put content?
Echo.
Echo.
Echo is the command, correct. Echo, then the content. Content I am, okay, content I am doing today is Sunday class. Sunday class. Then what I have to write here? File name, correct? Echo content, then which file I have to write, in which file I need to write it. I'm writing it, that is S file shoot. Now what I want to read, if Sunday class is sitting inside S file or not, has it been written or not? I have to see it. I have to do the command cat S file. Very simple command. These are all Linux commands. Shoot. I can see Sunday class is there, sitting inside cat file. The third step is done. What is the fourth step? Read the file. Third step is done. Create a file or folder in SDFSSD, then validate if it is created. Okay. Now we should switch to Hadoop. Let me first, I told you whenever you are going to hit Hadoop, always hit this command SDFS admin safe mode leave. Did I do anything? Okay. DFS admin, there is a mistake. DFS admin. Safe mode is off. All good. So we need to create a directory inside Hadoop system, SDFS. That is our fourth point. See here. That is our fourth point. Fourth point. Focus here. Tell me what is the command? What is the command I should write to create a file inside Hadoop system? Anyone?
mkdir.
Hadoop,
Hadoop
Hadoop,
FS.
Hadoop,
Hadoop FS.
FS. hyphen mkdir. Correct. Then the sdir, the folder name. Correct. Now I am using full path. I shouldn't be using any relative path. User slash Cloudera. For Hadoop system, the landing path is user slash Cloudera. For Linux system or edge node. For edge node gateway laptop, the landing path is home slash Cloudera. For Hadoop system, the landing path is user slash Cloudera. I want to create there. Do you want me to create somewhere else? Okay, let's go one step ahead. Let me list it. Hadoop FS. Okay, we'll do that. We'll do that next. Next step, we'll do that. Hadoop fs hyphen mkdir. I want to create in my landing path. Landing path is user slash Cloudera. Then the directory name we have given sd. So sd will be created inside Hadoop system. Okay, no error thrown. It worked. Let's see what is our fifth point. Validate if it is created. How to validate it? Anyone?
Hadoop fs hyphen ls.
Correct. Then full path. Hadoop fs hyphen ls. Then give the full path. User slash Cloudera is where I created it. Shoot. We can see sd somewhere here. It created. Got created. You can see sd somewhere here, right? sd you can see the timing. See the virtual machine timing, 8:16 a.m. You see the timing it got created, 8:15 a.m. It got created. Fine. Then what is the next step? Come on. What is the next step? We have, okay, verify if the file is okay. Now put s file which is in edge mode to sdir. sdir got created. We validated it. Now how to put it? Tell me the command. Tell me the command how to put a file which is setting edge node to HDFS Hadoop system, Hadoop cluster. What
Put
is the put is the command, correct? But we are dealing with Hadoop thing. So anything related to
Hadoop.
Hadoop, we are going to put into Hadoop system. We are going to put into HDFS cluster. So you have to use Hadoop command. Hadoop fs hyphen put, then syntax. If you remember syntax yesterday,
Source.
source then destination. Correct. Source is our home slash Cloudera. Then what is the file name? Is file. Then we have destination. What is the destination? User slash Cloudera, where we want to put this file in this folder, in SD folder. Simple command, very simple, clear. Let's shoot it. No such file or directory. Which one? Okay, this file is not there. Cloudera mistake, spelling mistake. Okay. Cloudera. Come on. Hadoop FS boot home slash Cloudera S file, no spelling mistakes, all good. Suit. It worked, no error thrown. It worked. Now, next step, we have to validate. Next step, we have to validate, verify if the file is present in STR. Then, if yes, then read the content inside it. That is our next two test steps. What we have done now is we have taken S file. Put is a kind of copy command. S file will not go anywhere, it will copy it. We have put the S file from edge node to Hadoop system using Hadoop command put. Now we want to see it. What is the command to validate? If S file is inside SDIR, what is the command to validate?
Hadoop FS H.
Hyphen?
CH.
Hyphen?
CH.
No, cat is for reading. If you want to read that file, cat is okay. If you want to see if the file is present. See, S file is a text file, like your
LS.
Excel file. Correct. Like your Excel file. If the content inside your Excel file or text file, what is that? Then you have to use cat command to read the content inside it. If you want to see if the file is present inside that folder, then ls is the validation
Correct.
command. Hadoop fs hyphen ls. What is the full path? Tell me the full path. Anyone?
home, Cloudera,
Not home.
hyphen S.
Not home. We have taken the file from,
User,
yeah,
User.
user,
we have
user,
taken the
Cloudera.
file from EdgeNote to HDFS. Now we are validating if the file is inside HDFS. So we should be validating in HDFS. HDFS full path is landing path is user slash Cloudera. There we created one folder and we are going to check what is sitting inside that folder. That is the command will be ls. It will list it. Whatever is sitting inside SDIR, it will list it. We have taken S file into SDIR. It should show there is a file sitting called SDIR inside it. Okay. Do you guys see there is a file sitting inside SDIR?
Yes.
Found one item, hyphen means that is a file. D means that is a directory, as I told you. You can see there is a file sitting, file is S file. The timing 8:18, you can see the timing 8:20 a.m. We have transferred it 8:18 at the time 8:18. This is the VM timing. Do not worry, it will not match with your timing. The time you can see the file is sitting inside where we have listed which folder. SD folder, we can see the file is inside it. As well, that validation is okay. Now I want to read the file. Tell me the command.
Cat.
Is it only cat?
Hadoop FS,
Hadoop
Hadoop
FS cat.
FS.
Correct. It's sitting inside Hadoop, so you have to use Hadoop command. Hadoop fs hyphen Hadoop fs hyphen cat, then full path user slash Cloudera slash stir. Then what you want to read? S file I want to read. Suit. You can see Sunday class is there. Happy flow. One happy flow. Now I'll do it. I will create a directory inside desktop directory. Let me create another directory inside SDIR. Inside this SDIR, let me create another directory. Tell me the command how to create it. Tell me the command how to create it. One step ahead.
Hadoop FS dash
Hadoop
mkd hyphen
mkdir, then full path. Where I want to create?
users
I want to create inside SDIR, correct? User slash Cloudera slash SDIR. Then I want to create another, right? Another directory inside SDIR. Then I have to give the name of it. SDIR child. Let it be child. All good. I am creating SDIR child folder inside SDIR folder. All good. Understandable this command. Let's shoot it. Worked. Shall we validate it? Let's validate. Hadoop fs hyphen ls. What I want to list now? I have to list SDIR now. So what? Tell me the expected result now. Try to use your brain now. Tell me the expected result. What you are going to see here. Tell me the
SD
expected result.
child.
What you are
User
going to
child.
see?
Just a
What?
SD
fail.
child.
Okay. What else you are going to see? Only SD child.
That's fine.
S file also. S file is also sitting there, right? We brought
Yes.
S file into SD, right? We should see both SD child folder, one directory, one file. Correct? Everyone understood what I'm trying to tell you right now, what I'm trying to prove here. Understandable. I have created a folder inside SDIR, but I have taken a file inside SDIR too. But now SDIR has already one item sitting. This is the item which is sitting inside SDIR. We have listed SDIR before also. Now I created another folder inside SDIR. So what is the expected result? There should be one folder called SDIR child, one file, which is S file. Let's shoot it. Can you see? There is a D starting with D. It's a folder, SDIR child, then the file which we brought it from EdgeNote. All good? Anyone
Yes.
having any question? Understandable, very, very easy concepts. I'm going very slow. Anyone having any question, any doubt, you can ask me right now. Understandable these things? Okay, now what I want to do is I will bring that S file to this SDIR child folder. Let me show it in a diagram so you will have proper clarity. This is your edge node. This is your SDFS. What we did first, let me write it down. This is your edge node. And what was the file sitting inside it? It was S file, correct? File name is S file. What is the path for edge node? /home /cloud. I am taking some time here just because once you are okay with, familiar with, confident with this Hadoop commands, then the rest thing which will come, you will easily pick it. So if there is some question, some kind of confusions which will be here, then it is going to trouble you in the next steps, which we are going to cover. Few tools will come in picture, Scoop, Hive, all those things. So I am making you very clear understanding edge node concepts and Hadoop concept, how they are interlinked to each other, how they are working, the working model, how the commands work, how you talk to edge node, how you talk to Hadoop, how you take a file from edge node to Hadoop system. Everything I want to take some time so you guys be very familiar, very confident on this particular edge node and Hadoop stuffs, cluster stuffs. Okay, this is edge node. This is the path of edge node. Let me take it up. This is the path of edge node. Now I have created a file inside it. The file name is S file. I have created a file inside it, and the content inside that file is, what was the content? If anyone, do you remember? Sunday class, right? It's the content. Sunday class. The content which I have put inside this file is Sunday class, right? Sunday class is it right?
Yes.
Yeah, Sunday class is the content which is sitting inside S file, and there is a path to it. What is the path for this S file? There is a path to it. Home plus Cloudera plus S file. This is the path. This is the path for this S file. All good till now. Then we created one directory inside SDFS. The directory name is SDIR. We have created a folder inside SDFS. The folder name is SDIR. Let me directly write down the path. User slash Cloudera slash SDIR. This is the path for this folder. Then we created another folder which is inside SDIR, and the path is slash user slash Cloudera slash SDIR slash SDIR child. The folder name is SDIR child. All good. This is the path for this folder. Till now, what am I doing? Are you guys understanding? In figure, I'm trying to understand what is happening in real. What we are doing in code, that is what I am showing you in picture. All good till now? Understandable?
Yes.
First thing what we did, we took this S file. We took this S file to where? To SD, correct? We took this S file to SD. Now the goal is I want to take this S file to SD child. Here I want to take it. Here. Tell me the commands. Okay, now I am going there. This is your SDFS. This is your SDFS. This is your SDFS. And the path is, let me write down that path is user slash Cloudera slash user slash Cloudera. Okay, now what is my goal is I want to take this S file again to the child, the folder which SD child. The folder name I have given SD child. You can give any name. I have given here SD. You can give any name, A, B, C, D, anything. You can give the folder name. I have given first folder as SD. I have taken the file into SD. Then I am taking this file to the folder which is created inside SD. Okay, let me. What is the command to take it?
Hadoop fs dash put.
Correct. Hadoop fs hyphen put. Then what I want to take? Source
Source.
is home plus
Cloudera.
Cloudera s file. Then we have destination. Destination is user slash Cloudera slash sd. Then where I want to take it? Sd child. Here I want to take it.
Child.
Should. Now we will validate it. It's per our command. This file, it's per our command. This file should be inside sd child. Let's validate it. Let's go there. Then we want to validate. For validating, what is the command? If you want to see something, what are sitting inside a folder, list it.
Hadoop fs dash
Hyphen
ll. Yes.
ls. Correct. You want to list it. Hadoop fs hyphen ls. Then the full path. User slash Cloudera slash sd slash sd child. Stood. You see that file? S file is sitting inside. All good. We can see S file is there inside SD child, then S file. S file is sitting there. Starting with hyphen is a file. Easy. Can you do it if I'll give you the command? Are you able to do it?
Yes.
Any questions? Okay, let me write it right away. Give me a few seconds. First I am showing you. First I am giving you. You try on your own. Then I am giving you the command. Accordingly, you can correct. I am giving you the flow. That's two. Okay. First, try doing this on your own. Meanwhile, I'm typing the command. See your WhatsApp group. You'll see a photo. Try doing it on your own in your Cloudera. Start with Hadoop DFS admin sep mode lib hyphen sep mode lib. Start with that command. Then you start typing it. I have sent a photo in batch 2 group. See it and do it. Try doing it. Anyone facing any issue, tell me. You can do the screen share. We'll see what you are facing. So if you are facing if someone is facing the same issue, they will get to know what are the issues. Real-time issues, you'll face something. As your first time doing something, so you'll face some real-time issues. That is okay. That is absolutely fine. No need to worry. Ask me. Whatever the issue you are facing, ask me. Let me write the second scenario too. Meanwhile, okay. Try on your own. Once you are stuck, I'll share the commands. Don't worry. Try on your own first. Try on your own. do the Handson, you'll see some mistakes happening. Try to understand those mistakes. Try to read those error messages. What error did you do? Again and again, verify the command. For the first time, it will happen. That's for me also. It happened a lot of times. It will happen. Don't worry, it will happen. But yeah, if it somewhere you are stuck, let me know. We can do the screen share. We'll resolve it. It shouldn't be a theoretical class anymore. It should be a practical class. Data engineering is not a theory. Are you guys doing? Anyone facing any issue? If you're stuck somewhere, let me know. Try doing your own. I'm giving you the commands. Don't worry. Once done, send the screenshot in group. Once you are done with the code, please send the screenshot in group. Sanjay in group, please, not in my personal.
अरे साला
हम्म हम्म बाकी जो मैंने खोजते हो फिर भी तुम कोड टा दूज Hadoop 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 hyphen I have given the step-by-step command. Whoever is stuck somewhere, let me know. If you're stuck somewhere, let me know. We'll resolve it. It's fine to stuck. It's fine. It happened with me. It will happen. That is okay. That is absolutely fine. We are humans. You might do something wrong, but if you are somewhere stuck, do the screen share will resolve it right away.
मोठे चेक कर ठीक असतं.
देखो जीरो. Touch is file, equals and plus is file, cat is file, all good.
समीर हेलो
हाँ 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 संजय.
हाँ सेटा हाडूप एफएस तापर स्पेस देके हाइफन टच स्लैश एसफाइल सिम दिया हुआ ना कि केड़ा
नहीं नहीं touch. Why do you want to touch use touch in Hadoop? You want to create S file in edge node, right?
हाँ
In edge node you need to use Hadoop, right? If something related to HDFS cluster, then only you need to use Hadoop. If you
अच्छा
are doing something in edge node, you need not to do Hadoop. You have to only use Linux command. Only touch will work.
ओके 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 फाइन
ଜାଣିଛି ଠିକ ଅଛି.
Samir, I have sent the screenshot in WhatsApp. I have one query actually. Can you please check
You
once?
you you made one mistake in the starting line itself. Can you please share your screen? I'll tell you what went wrong. Let me stop the screen share. You can share your screen. Okay. What wrong you did, I will tell you. In echo command, you see, have you created as well? You haven't created any empty as well. That is fine. Using echo also, you can create a file. If its file is not there, direct echo command will work. It will create a file. The very first line after listing, you see, echo Sunday class Arpita greater than S file. That is fine. If you want to give the full path, either give S file or give home slash cloudera slash S file. Don't give both. You understood my point? Slash home slash cloudera slash s file. See, the command is echo means it will write something. You have given the content it's Sunday class Arpita. Then greater than is the symbol denotes indicates that which file you want to write. And you have given s file relative path, that is fine, it will work. If you want to give the full path, then you need not to give s file. You have to give home slash cloudera slash s file. That will any of these will work, not both together. You understood my point?
Yeah, okay.
S file, either S file or home slash cloudera slash S file, not both. S file will work as it is sitting in edge node itself. The Linux command will talk to edge node. As it's sitting in edge node, that will work. Relative path will work, or absolute path. You can delete S file and keep slash home slash cloudera slash S file, or only you can keep S file. Anything will work.
Okay. And Samir, why this two time it has came when I tried to validate it?
Cat S file home slash cloudera S file. Okay. So it has taken Sunday class Arpita is inserts home slash clouder as well. Sunday class Arpita is home slash clouder as well. Okay, got it. It has written the things both in this. It has taken home slash clouder as file as a file itself. It has taken it as a file itself. So it is showing class Arpita. Okay, s file home slash clouder as file. Let me do it something else. It is. Let me see it. Let me do it on. Okay. Let's do what? Okay. Create s file. Let me directly use the echo command. Echo Sunday greater than s file. Then you have used home slash cloudera slash s file. This is the command is working. Okay, let me cat s file. Cat s file. Okay, it worked in that way. I'll tell you. I'll tell you what it is doing. The command you have written is working in a different way. It is not right, but it's working in a different way. See, after greater than whatever you have given, that is the file name. Echo and file name greater than file name is the syntax. Rest all are its content. That is why it is reading everything. But again, you are reading that S file, then again you are giving the full path of that. Okay, it's reading twice. Okay, I'll tell you what exactly happened. I'll tell you. But you
Okay.
understood what mistake you have done, right? After
No, I didn't
echo,
understand.
okay, after echo, you have given the content. See, come to my screen. Let me see it. Let me delete this S file first. PFS admin if mode. Now what you have done is you haven't created any empty file. You have directly tried to create a file. If I will directly echo is to write something. What you want to write? Let it be Sunday class. Then what is the syntax? We have to show which file you want to write. Now if I am giving s file, it will take it. It will create the s file. Now where I am creating? Now I am creating it in edge node itself. Here I am creating, right? Here Linux command will directly talk to this particular folder. If you are shooting any Linux command, it will talk to this folder. If there is another folder inside it, then you have to give the path. If you are not giving any path, it will directly talk to this folder. So what happened? Either this will work. Let me give spaces so it will be clear. Either this will work or this will work or this will work. Sunday class greater than home class Cloudera class is file. Both are same. You understood my point? Both are same. Let's me create SS file. Now I'll show you both S file and SS file both would have been created. Let me list it. You see here SS file got created, S file got created. You understood my point now?
Yes, yes.
This is relative path. This is absolute path. The path for this S file is what? The path for this S file. Full path of this S file is what?
home/cloudera
Correct.
slash s.
Homes. Exactly. You have given both in a single line. You understand now? You got my
Yeah.
point? But what
Yes.
the result? I'm telling you the result now. The result is quite interesting. Okay, let me tell you the result now. I decoded it. Let me clear it. Let me delete everything. I don't see S file. I don't see SS file. Both are gone. Okay. Now let me tell you what you have done. Echo Sunday class, then file name, then what you have done is homes plus Cloudera plus S file. Now the command is simple. Echo is to write something. You have given the content, right? Then greater than is then greater than after greater than whatever comes is the file name. Understood? Whatever comes is the file name. Clear? Then whatever
Yeah.
rest happens, this is the command. This is echo greater than S file is the command. Then rest is taking as a content. Now if I'll try to read it, then this is also content for that echo command. This is also content for that echo command. If I'll read it, it will show all these things. Let me read it. Let me cat it. Cat S file. Here after S file, there is a gap. You can see there is a space. Let me read it. Is it the same thing you are seeing here? This is also
Yes. Yes.
content. Sunday class is also content. Then this side is also a content for that syntax, for that command. It is taken. This is the syntax. Echo greater than S file. Rest anything you will put after greater than whatever comes, that is the file name. Rest anything you will put, it will take it as a content. Then what you did is second line, why there it is showing two lines is I'll tell you. You have given cat S file. This is relative path, correct? You
Yes.
wanted to read something S file which I have given relative path. Now I am giving the full path of it. So it will read it twice. You got my point? Here I wanted to read one file, correct? It gave me one result. Here I wanted to this file and the full path of the same file also. I am reading two files at a time. And that both files are same, correct? Got my point? No?
Yes. Yes. Got
Yeah.
it.
If I'll suit it, it will give me two full results. It will read this file also. It will read this file also. This is also same file, right? This is the full path. This is the relative path. Understanding the concepts, why there are two results here. This is new for me. You discovered it. Okay, fine. But you understand how it works actually, how the command works.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
do,
Thank you, Samir. Yeah, got
yeah,
it.
you got it, no? Yeah.
Yeah. Ha.
Anyone stuck anywhere, you can share your screen. The second thing, the second scenario, I will give it to
ଆମେ
you. हाँ हाँ tell me.
କହିଲେ
हाँ,
ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଇକୋ ପରେ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଲେଖୁଛେ ତାହେଲେ
हम्म
ତ ଆମେ ସେଠି କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ନ ଲେଖି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଏସ୍ ଫାଇଲ ପରେ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଟା ଲେଖିଲେ ବି ତ ଚଳିବ।
हाँ ସେଇଟା କାମ କରୁଛି ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ଦେଖିଲି ଏଇଟା କାମ କରୁଛି let me do it again echo greater than d file place file I am not sure if d file is there let me write something I think this is the content for it okay command okay I think the comma it's not taking
ଫାଇଲ ନେମ୍ ଟା
नहीं नहीं
ଫାଇଲ
comma
ନେମ୍
file name ଦେଇଛି ନା କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ triple s file ଦେଇଛି ନା କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ it will create if the file name is not there it will create no worries about that do not worry oh space this file let's see if it's creating should okay it's taking let me read triple s file even if you can give it after that is what happening right it took this as a content too for this s file that is why it showed when I tried to read it showed Sunday class also this rest of the things whatever you are writing that is also content for that file let me read it yeah that is the content for it it's working you can give it after also both way you can
ଓକେ
do
ଭାଇ
it
ଓକେ ଭାଇ
but the standard format is echo give the content then after you give the file name that is the standard structure but either way you can do it
ଓକେ
but there should be a space there should be a space else the whole thing it will take as a file if you will not give space This whole thing, it will be a file for the echo command. Okay, I will show you. Already 1 hour gone. I will not take much time. IPL season is going on. Some must be waiting for when I will end the class. Okay, let me show you the opposite scenario. Now, what I want to do is, let me show the opposite scenario. I will give it to you as a task. Just anyone stuck anywhere, you can ping me. I will resolve it. Now I'm doing just the opposite. Understand this particular scenario. Delete S file in Edge node. The S file you created in Edge node, delete it. Then bring that S file which is sitting in the SDIR. SDIR folder, there is a S file sitting, correct? We have taken it. We have copied it from Edge node to SDIR. What I want to do is bring that S file back to Edge node. First delete it, else it will throw an error. The S file is already existing. First delete it, then bring that S file which is sitting in Edge node to which is sitting inside SDIR folder, which is in SDFS. Bring it back to Edge node, then validate it, read it. I'll show you the command. First thing, what I want to do is I want to delete the file which is sitting inside Hadoop FS. Let me see, user class Cloudera class SDIR. I should see a file, S file should be sitting over there. Okay, it's there. First thing you need to, okay, that is fine, it's there. Let me clear. First thing what you want to do is there is a file sitting in Edge node. I have deleted it for you guys. If you have created S file, it should be there. Else the command I have given, those who are stuck, close the terminal. If you have done some mistakes, close the terminal, open it again. If you have created the S file, then it will be trouble. It will not let you create another S file. You can create any other file name. S file it will not let you create. You can create any other file. If you have created S file, then use this command. I'll give that command. See my command. rm rf full path. You give the full path home / Cloudera. If you have already created S file and stuck somewhere, then I have given all those commands one by one. You do it, you can see the results. If you have already created S file, then this is the command to delete it. S file I have already deleted it, so there is nothing. It will not, the command is fine, but this is the command. I am typing it right away. If you have created already, then delete the S file. You can delete it using this command. Okay, where is your assignment group? If you have already created S file in Edge node, then delete it using the below command. rm hyphen rf home plus Cloudera plus S file. The file name you have given, you can delete it. S file or whatever the file name you have given, I have given the command. Okay. Now what is my purpose? I have taken S file from SNode to SDFS. Now I want to bring it back. What I'll do, there is a simple Hadoop command for it. First delete the S file, else it will throw you error that S file is existing. You cannot bring another S file. First delete it. I have given the command to delete it. What you want to do, this is the second scenario. First scenario do, first scenario complete, then go for the second scenario. Then I want to bring it. There is another command for it. It's simple. Get it, put it, get it back, get it. Hadoop FS get from where? Source is now my SDFS. Source is my SDFS. Users class Cloudera plus SDIR. What I want to bring, S file I want to bring. Source is my SDFS. Destination is my Edge node. Home / Cloudera. All good. Shoot. Okay, now let's see if S file is there or not in my Edge node. List it. I can see the S file back. Here I have deleted it. I can see the S file back. This is your task. First thing, do the first scenario, create one S file. I will show you again. Quick, 5 to 10 minutes max. Quick. Let's do it. Clear. Let me delete the S file. rm rf S file. Let me validate it. No, you can't see S file anymore. It's gone. S file is not there. Fine. Let me create S file. I am directly using echo command, echo Sunday class, greater than. Let me use the full path this time. Home slash Cloudera. Keep an eye if I'm doing any spelling mistake. Home slash Cloudera S file. Good. Okay, I have missed greater than. Okay. Let me do it again. Echo Sunday class then full path home slash Cloudera class S file. This will create the S file in my desktop path. That is my home slash Cloudera path. I have given the full path. Now let me cat it. Cat. I am using full path this time. Home slash Cloudera. So there shouldn't be any confusion. Home slash Cloudera S file. Sorry, S file mistake. File done. I have done. Now let me create one folder mkdir. This time I won't create stir. Let it be SSD. Let me give the full path. User slash Cloudera slash SSD. Hadoop FSMKT user slash Cloudera SSD. Got created. Let me list it. Hadoop ls I should see SSD is there. It got created. Okay. Now let's bring that file to Hadoop system. Hadoop fs hyphen put source is home slash Cloudera. The more you will play with the code, the more you'll play with this Cloudera, the more you will type with these commands, you'll play around, then only you'll get to know what is happening. Here I have given only relative path. I haven't given anything. I told you yesterday if I'll shoot Hadoop command, it will directly talk to where? It will directly talk to my SDFS system. Here SD is sitting, right? Here my SD is sitting. So it will list it. Whatever is sitting inside this SDFS, whatever sitting is inside this SDFS, it will talk to. If I am shooting any Hadoop command and I am not giving any path, it will directly talk to this folder. Whatever is sitting inside this folder, it will give. That's what it has given here. All these folders are sitting inside my home path, user slash Cloudera path. Okay, home it's put to SDFS fs put home slash Cloudera. What I want to put S file, then I have to use the destination user slash Cloudera slash SSD. All good, stood. Now I have to validate it. Hadoop fs ls. I can see the S file is sitting, then cat Hadoop fs cat, then the full path. Paste, then I have to read the file. Okay, wait, this file. Okay, Sunday class, success. That is the first scenario. Second scenario I have shown. Second scenario, you have to delete the S file first. rm array S file, you can use the full path. Always use the full path for now. Home slash Cloudera slash S file. Deleted. I am listing it. Even listing also it will work. Home plus Cloudera. I am listing my home path. Let's see. You can see S file is no more there. S file is gone. I have deleted it. The same thing after deleting, bring that S file which is inside here, which is inside SDIR. SSDIR. For you SDIR, I haven't deleted SDIR, so SSDIR I have created. For you SDIR, I'm giving that as a task. Both the scenarios, please complete. Please do the Handson. Things are interesting. If you give your mind, things are very interesting. Something not is out of science. Everything is logical. Whatever you are typing, there is a reason for it. I am making you understand whatever you are typing, there is a reason for it. The way Arpita did something that was new for me, but I have to decode that. What happened that point of time? I have seen that what is the result, then I have decoded. Okay, except those command echo greater than file name, whatever you are giving it, it is a content for that particular command. That's what I decoded. Then she has put two times s file, then full path, cat s file, then cat full path of the s file. It has read that particular file twice just because there is a relative path for s file. S file is a relative path, then the full path of that. So try your hidden trial. You can do some experiment, but try doing your Handson. Then only you will gain confidence in coding. Coding is easy. Till then you are using your hand. One day you cannot able to write ABCD. Now you are speaking in English. So it's not that tough. Mature enough, our brain are that matured, you can easily pick it up. Nothing is impossible. Easy. Just focus. All good. Anyone having any questions? Almost 1 hour and 15 minutes. Any questions? Any
ଗୋଟେ
questions?
ଡାଉଟ୍ କେବଳ
हाँ हाँ हाँ
ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
yes.
ସେଇ କ୍ଲାଉଡରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
हम्म
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପାଥ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଟାଇମରେ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ମାନେ କ୍ଲୋଜ କରାହଉଛି ପାଥର ଯୋଉ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲୋଜ ସମଟାଇମ୍ସ କ୍ଲୋଜିଂ and sometimes
Okay, fine. Work. It will work. It will work. But starting ta 100%. Starting forward slash is 100%. Ending is not required. Ending is optional. You can give it. You cannot. You need not to give it. That is optional. Totally optional. Any more questions?
Okay. No.
Anyone? Any questions? Any silly questions? Very basic questions. That is fine. I understand you are into this world very first time. Even the Linux commands are for you first time. Hadoop commands are first time. You might have read Java, C++, Java, Advanced Java, every single language, Python. But this is kind of new. Those who are into coding, they can understand easily. I mean, pick it up easily. But those who are new, it will take time. That is why I'm telling you, do Handson. Give half an hour every day. Half an hour, go inside and do something. Create a file, delete a file. हाँ हाँ
ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ହାଡୋପ କ୍ଲଷ୍ଟର କୁ ଏଣ୍ଟର କରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଯୋଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋଡ ଫାଇଲ ଲେଖୁଛେ ଯୋଉ ହାଡୋପ ଡିଏଫଏସ୍ ଆଡମିନ୍ ସେଫ୍ ମୋଡ ଲେଭେଲ ଯୋଉଟା
हाँ
ତ ଏବେ ଆମେ ଯୋଉଟା ପୁଣି ଯୋଉ ଆସି ଗେଟୱେ ନୋଡ ରୁ ଯୋଉଟା ଯୋଉ ପୁଣି ଡିଲିଟ କଲେ ଯୋଉ ଫାଇଲ ଟା ତ ପୁଣି ସେଇଟା ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ କିଛି କୋଡ ସେମିତି କିଛି ଲେଖିବାର ଅଛି କି?
Nice. See, the concept is, see, try to understand. The concept is you are sitting somewhere, right? I will come to that point again. You are sitting somewhere here. You are the red one, correct? If you shoot Hadoop command, then it will talk to Hadoop, correct? But to first our communication code use edge node. You are communicating to edge node. This is your first point of contact. Whatever the terminal is edge node terminal. This terminal Cloudera start terminal is your edge node terminal. এই ଟର୍ମିନାଲଟା ଏଜ୍ ନୋଟ୍ ଟର୍ମିନାଲ। ଏଠି ତୁ ହାଡୁପ କମାଣ୍ଡ ଦେଲେ ସେ ହାଡୁପ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ହବ, ହାଡୁପ କ୍ଲଷ୍ଟର ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କଥା ହବ। ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡେବଲ? ତ ଆମେ ହାଡୁପ ସିଷ୍ଟମଟା ଯୋଉ ହାଡୁପ ଡିଏଫଏସ୍ ଆଡମିନ୍ ସେଫ୍ ମୋଡ୍ ଦେଖୁଛି, ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ତା ଭିତରେ ଗୁଡାଏ ନୋଟ୍ସ ଥାଏ, lot of nodes working inside a cluster. So sometimes some system for some reason can go on restart. I mean, in our case, Cloudera might get started, might for Hadoop reasons, Cloudera might restart, might go on safe mode, which will stop us coding. That is why I'm telling you. That is why I'm telling you that give this command first. It will make the safe mode off. It will not go to safe mode anytime. Hadoop DFS admin. That is a man. I mean that is a prerequisite. Whenever you start coding, I mean typing Hadoop commands, you try to execute this code safe mode leave. It will stop taking this Cloudera going in safe mode for Hadoop reasons. For Hadoop is a big data. A lot of tools are inside. I will tell you. Understandable? Clear? এইটা ଟର୍ମିନାଲ ଏଜ୍ ନୋଡ୍ ହିଁ ତ କଥା ହଉଛୁ, ଏଜ୍ ନୋଡ୍ ହିଁ କଥା ହଉଛୁ। ବଟ୍ ଏଠି In real time, I mean, in training, you are directly accessing edge node terminal, but in real time, you will be connecting via PuTTY, via MOVAX term. Remember the early classes. You have to connect to this terminal via PuTTY, via MOVAX term using the IP address or host name. Remember early days, how I want to talk to this edge node. If I want to talk to this edge node, let me show if the pens are there. Okay, here, batch one, batch two, wait, SDFS cluster, block split, FS image metadata, Hadoop one, Hadoop clustering. You remember this photo, this image? Here, something I have written putty. I am somewhere here. I have a system. My company has given me a system. I am accessing that system. But Hadoop cluster is somewhere in US, UK, Australia, Singapore. I do not know where is my cluster sitting. That can be at any point in any place in world. It can be in your company itself. It can be somewhere else. But I want to talk to, but these all things, these all system edge node and Hadoop are together at the same place. Every single cluster has a dedicated edge node for it. If you want to talk to the HDFS cluster, then you have to talk to edge node first. To talk to edge node, you have to connect via PuTTY using the IP address or host name. Early days, remember, starting days. थोड़ा ब्रशअप हो रहा है, याद आ रहा है, मने पड़ुଛି ଏସବୁ ଜିନିଷ?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Answered the question?
Yes, sir.
But in training purpose, I direct the terminal use course. We are directly talking to the terminal, edge node terminal, this terminal, yellow, this edge node terminal, we have directly opened here. So we are not connected to edge node via PuTTY. We are directly open edge node terminal, and we are talking to Hadoop systems. କିଛି ବି ଆଉ silly questions ଅଛି ପଚାରି ପାରିବ, any question, not silly, any big questions also, anything. Clear ହେଲା ତ doubt?
हाँ भाई,
Doubt clear ହେଲା? Okay.
हाँ भाई.
Any more questions? Any more questions?
ଭାଇ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ସ୍କ୍ରିନଶଟ ଗୁଡାକ ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ ର ସେଗୁଡା ଟିକେ ପଠେଇଦବ।
ଓକେ ଓକେ, ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ ମୁଁ ପଠେଇଥିଲି, ବଟ୍ ଯୋଉମାନେ ପରେ ଜଏନ୍ କରିଥିବେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ପଠେଇନି, ମୁଁ ସବୁ ପଠେଇଦେବି, ଆଉ ଥରେ ମୁଁ ପଠେଇଦେବି, नो वरीज, I'll send it again.
ହଁ।
Samir, can you please share that scenario 2 wala screenshot also
Yeah,
in group?
let me take a scenario. Okay, scenario one I have. Let me take the both together. Will it copy or not? I'm not sure. Okay. Task for today. Scenario one, I have already given all those codes I have already given in assignment 2. Scenario 2, if you want, text me, I'll give it to you. But try yourself. The command is get command. I'm writing it. Hadoop fs get. Then same source, Hadoop fs scenario 2. I'm giving you a hint. Try it on your own. Easy it is. Try it will. I am confident that you can do it. Try, sit and try. Fail 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, but try, you'll achieve it properly. Scenario 2, come on, scenario 2. Okay, the only hint I'm giving is you want to bring something from Hadoop, that is get command. If you want to take something from edge node to SDFS, that is put command. If you want to take something, bring something from Hadoop to edge node, that is get command. Hadoop is get source this time is SDFS. Source this time it is SDFS. Then source, then target or destination. Target for you is this time is not. Okay. Any questions? Shall we wrap up?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Thank you,
Take care.
bye.
Thank you.
Good night, Samaria.
Thank you, bhai. Thank you, everyone. Good
Thank you,
night.
bye.